People, place, thing or idea. Hi, I'm Dan. Welcome to Awesome English. Our learning objective today is to learn about what a noun is. Let's get moving. Alright, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap to success. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to know what is a noun. Then to know that a noun is people, place, things, or idea. And then finally, to be able to practice identifying nouns, let's get going. So what is a noun? So a noun is basically all the names we give to everything around us. In a really simple sense, we can say that nouns are people, places, things, or ideas. Now, a cool way to think of a noun is that you can take a photo of it. All right, let's learn more. People, place, thing, or idea. All right, now it's time to play a little game. Check out the image that pops on the screen. Can you work out, is it a people, place, thing, or idea? The first one is love. Which one is that? Then we have policeman. Which one is that one? What type of noun is that? Then we have school. And then finally, we have pencil. So which type of noun are these things? Let's check some answers. So love. Love is an abstract noun. It's an idea. Then we had policeman. That's people. That's a person. The next one was school. That's a place. Then finally, we had pencil. That's a common noun. And that's a thing. All right, guys, let's keep learning. Okay, so now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know a noun is a people, place, thing, or idea, go and write 5 different nouns for each of those categories to consolidate your learning. Now remember, if you haven't checked out our video on proper nouns, go and do that as well. So a proper noun needs to have a capital letter. We can use really good tricks to remember when to capitalize a proper noun, like mince. Go and check out the video to learn more. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.